Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're about to be discussing how to add a custom currency switcher to Shopify store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Now by default there is no as such option, or maybe there might be one, but I don't recommend you go for that. What you can do is you need to head over to this search option at the top. There you need to search for currency, and once you do, you will be able to see that we have our search currency in Shopify App Store. You're gonna need to head over to that, and we have various currency converters. What I suggest is this currency converter by Liabutek, and once you apply that, you can see we have this little pop-up at the bottom right side, and it is going to be dropping down and choosing different languages. So let me just actually incorporate. You simply need to press on install, and once you do, you will have added a custom currency switcher to Shopify store. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.